Today we'll see a quick video on unboxing and using this Culligan Showerhead water filter and also this Aquabase shower filter. Essentially these are generally used for reducing the chlorine or the other contaminations that we get. So I want to make a quick video out of it just so that it can help anyone who wants to know. This is the Culligan Showerhead. Quality seems to be okay. I wouldn't call it great. That's just good. This is where the cartridge will go in. This is the shower filter. Okay. Let me remove the sticker. Okay. This is pretty tight. Okay. Okay. Reduces chlorine, reduces sulfur odor, and it says this has 5 types of spray settings. Pretty easy to screw in. Okay, there is this setup. Okay. The screwing works good, but as I feel as if these are like plasticky but not steel or anything. This is metal, but rest of the body I feel is more or less plastic. Have to see how good it will hold up. So quickly we'll move on to the next one. Okay. This is just some manual, a sticker to remind that you'll have to replace this cartridge roughly every 6 months or 10,000 gallons. This is thread seal tape they have given it. I generally don't use the default one that come in. I generally buy the good one at Lowe's or something and use it. Next we'll see this Aquabase shower head. Okay, these people also have given like a thread seal tape. I don't know what quality it is, but at least seems good. Let's see. Okay, there is some joint, okay, manuals. Okay, so they have given some filters like this. So generally these are used for sediment filtering, but I wouldn't suggest that everyone use this. You have to use only in your area if you do get sediments. Otherwise, if you have these type of add-ons, I don't think it will be helpful. They will be reducing the water pressure and it could hamper the performance. Just a manufacturer notice. Okay, they have given additional washers as spare, just in case. Okay, they have installed the filter already. So this is the washer thread that is there, the rubber washer thread. That is what they have given as an access, like here is one. So they have given an extra set, just in case if you need. And there is this attachment, which is what actually you will be fitting into your shower wall. So it goes in here. Okay, so this will go to the shower part. Yeah, and here the general shower can be fit, but my plan is use these two, like pliers and this handler, in order not to spoil this equipment, like the shower head and everything. When we are holding this, hold it tight with this pliers and wrench. Hold the shower pipe, adjust the length accordingly. Yep. Get the grip of it and try to open it. Once it comes out of few screws, then you should be able to pull it off with hand. Yes, here you go. I'm not going to use this, so I'll let go. And remove all the old thread tape. Yeah. Make sure you clean all of it. So now we'll apply this thread sealing tape. I got a good one, something called mega tape or something. So apply it in plenty. So apply it in the clockwise direction. If you see, we have applied the thread sealing tape pretty abundantly. It will help with two things. One is, yes, it will protect the thread on the pipe, but not only that, if there are any gaps, it will also help seal and make sure there are no water leaks. So for the Culligan shower head, I have detached it, and for the ease of fitment, so turn it in clockwise direction, find the thread. Because now, yes, start. Okay. Rotating it in clockwise direction. Tighten it to the point. And once it reaches a point where you cannot rotate it no longer with hand, then take the pliers, apply the cloth, find the grip, and tighten it. Yeah. Gently. That's enough. I think it's pretty firm. Now hold it. Well done. Yeah, and there are no